Okay, so this is one of,
Kini,
if
butang
not
pod
their
ni
most
Day.
famous delicacy here.
Sasawsaw ka.
Try mo muna siya mag-isa para ma-appreciate mo siya on its own. Ooh! Look, oh. Harap. Para siyang dinner roll. Ayun yung yema pala. Try natin yung may yema para full experience. Oh, wow. Sarap. It's
Hindi ka
perfect.
mauumay. No?
Yeah, wala siyang umay. Tatry natin isaw-saw kasi Pinoy tayo, sinasawsaw natin lahat ng mga bagay-bagay siya. Hingi lang ako isa pang bread. Kasi naubos ko na siya eh.
Naubos mo na?
Naubos ko na eh. Lahat tayo, girl. Okay, saw-saw kasi.
Sawsaw natin.
Saw-saw. So we just saw this right now. It's called the Masa Podrida Bites. So I'm reading about it now. They are traditional Filipino shortbread cookies from flour, salt, baking powder, brown sugar, and eggs. Okay, so masa podrida actually comes from the Spanish word or name rotten dough. And usually you partner this with coffee or hot drinks like what we're having right now. I wonder why in Spanish this is rotten dough. Panis na dough na to. The joke lang. It means pag kinain natin to. The joke lang. So it's shortbread. Ooh, looks good also. That's how it looks. This is what you call the masa podrida. Let's try it. Ah, soft lang talaga siya. What's that filling? Ano pa yung filling sa loob? Oh, this one's ube. Oh. So, ang daming pwedeng maging filling, including lanzones, anything. Kahit yung yema, pwede din.
Yes, even chicken.
Chicken? Really? Since I was a kid, I'm a peanut butter lover. So, anything na may peanut butter,
You like?
alam natin to. Very good. Very, very good.
Honey.
Yeah. It's called the Turones de Mani. De Mani. Hindi Mani. It's Mani. Sabi ko kanina, de Mani.
Naman. Versus shop.
Nasaan tayo sa Paris? Oh, alam ko na itong parang ano to.
Dito eh.
Parang barquillos na less makalat.
I-expect ko crunchy. Pero para siyang...
Sticky yun. Okay, ang magta-try ng ampaw, which are the Rice Krispies, is Miss Jen.
Parang masarap.
Okay, mag-half lang ako. Rice Krispies.
Favorite ko to.
Parang may ganito ng bata. Meron. Diba? Nung 90s, parang, diba? Oo, yung bilog.
Yeah.
Hindi siya umay eh, kasi it's not too sweet. You can finish it.
Akala ko nga nung nilagyan mo ng condense.
Masyado ng matamis. Hindi, no?
Hindi pala.
We finally tried all of the delicacies from Camiguin that they're very proud of. And now, we're super full.
Good. Busog na busog.
Yeah.
Grabe. Pero, hindi ako naumay at all. Sa lahat ng kinain natin.
Yeah, dahil dessert siya, hindi ibig sabihin, parang masyado siyang sweet.
Yeah.
Very right amount of sweetness. So, mauubos at mauubos mo siya. Lalo na tong cacao, because we're so used to sweet cacao. This one, you can control it, especially with the condensed milk.
Yeah.